Hello students, welcome back to the 12th class chemistry lecture. Today we are going to start with coordination chemistry. So we are going to start coordination chemistry. So in the name of the chapter only the word is coordination. So coordination, in the 11th class we have studied coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. So coordinate bond was what? The coordinate bond, it is the bond formed by the one-sided donation of lone pair of electron from one atom to other atom. है ना? So simple example if I am taking, so this is the example of oxygen molecule. ठीक है? In the oxygen outermost shell, 6 electrons are present. So these are the 6 electrons. ठीक है? So oxygen needs 2 more electrons to complete the octet. So here the double bond formation take place and these pair of the electrons are lone pair of electron. So when this oxygen is going to form ozone, so what happened? This lone pair of electron from any oxygen atom, either this one or this one, can be donated to the third oxygen where also 6 electrons present. So for example, these pair of electrons are donated and only donation from this atom to this atom, and this donation is only for sharing. It means these electrons are not removed from the shell of this oxygen. So one-sided donation and donation of one lone pair of electron. So that is called coordinate bond. So I think in short we have done the revision of coordinate bond. So in the coordination chemistry, I think you can link that in the coordination chemistry, the study of the compounds in which coordinate bond is present. ठीक है? So we are going to study the compounds in which coordinate bond is formed. ठीक. So before starting this coordination chemistry, let me tell you that what these coordinate compounds, ठीक है? These coordinate compounds are formed by D block elements. Coordinate compounds are formed by D block element. From the periodic table, that coordinate compounds are formed by D block elements, and you know that in the D block element mostly metals are present. And one most important property of the D block element is that D block elements, they are having what? Electronic configuration 1 is to, n is to n minus 1 d 1 to 10. This is the outermost electronic configuration, that in case of the D block element, last but 1. Okay, this is written n minus 1, last but 1. So it is called penultimate shell. This shell is called penultimate shell, and this penultimate shell is incomplete. Electron filling of the electron can be from 1 to 10. So this is the most important property of the D block element, that D is incomplete. In this, electrons are not completely filled. That is why D block elements, they form coordinate compound. They form coordinate compound, and we are going to study coordinate chemistry, coordination chemistry in this chapter. So involvement of coordinate bond. Okay. So before starting this coordination chemistry, let me introduce you one coordinate compound. Okay. Let me write one formula of coordinate compound. So how it is formed? For example, this is ferrous cyanide. Aqueous ferrous cyanide reacts with potassium cyanide. This is potassium cyanide. ठीक है? When these two solutions are mixed, okay, heated, and the solution is evaporated, then K4FeCN6, this complex compound is formed. Okay. So when we are going to make the two aqueous solutions, okay, stable molecular formula, they are having stable molecular formula, and aqueous solutions are mixed, heated and evaporated. So we get what crystals of one complex compound, and in this example the complex compound formed is, the name of this one is potassium ferrocyanide, K4FeCN6. This is called potassium ferrocyanide. Later on we will study, okay, IUPAC naming, and the IUPAC name of this compound is different. So at present let me tell you the name of this compound is potassium ferrocyanide. So the compound this formed, this compound is coordinate compound. This compound is coordinate compound and it is complex in nature. Okay? So this compound, in this way coordinate compounds are formed. So the definition of the coordinate compound, how it is that the compound, okay, complex compound is formed by mixing two or more stable molecular formula compounds, stable compounds in aqueous form to form a complex compound, and this compound is having properties totally different from the compound from which it is formed. A complex compound. Okay? A complex compound is formed by mixing two or more stable, okay, compound in aqueous solution to form what? To a complex compound. Okay? Having properties totally different from the compound from which it is formed, जिससे बना है उसकी properties totally different रहती है. ठीक है? And the complex compound is having different properties in what? Solid state and solution state. ठीक है? So now we will see the structure of this coordinate compound. So I think this is clear to all of you. So now we will see the structure of this complex compound. How many components are present in this complex compound and how they are attached, and what are the essential components present in this coordinate compound. So the example I told you, that was the example of K4FeCN6. ठीक है? So see this K4, iron Fe, Cn whole 6. ठीक है? So this is what? This is what? Potassium ferrocyanide. Potassium ferrocyanide. So in this compound, whatever the iron is present or the metal is present, this is called central metal atom or ion. It can be neutral metal or ion. Central metal atom or ions. Whatever the metal is present in the compound, that is called central metal atom. And maximum, these metals are from D block element because they are having penultimate shell is empty or not completely filled. Now, this is the square bracket. This is the square bracket. So the components which are present inside this square bracket, whatever is present inside this square bracket, this is called coordination sphere. What I said, what is present inside the square bracket, that is called coordination sphere. जो भी इस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट के अंदर प्रेजेंट है, सेंट्रल मेटल एटम, जैसे कि इसमें साइनाइड प्रेजेंट है, ओके, दैट ऑल टुगेदर इज कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर कहा जाता है इसको. ठीक है. सो वट एवर इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, दैट इज कॉल्ड कोऑर्डिनेशन स्फीयर. नाउ potassium is present outside this square bracket, so this is called ionization sphere. This is called ionization sphere. ठीक है. And to this central metal atom or ion, cyanide is attached. ठीक है. Cyanide is attached. So cyanide or whatever is attached to the central metal atom in the coordination sphere, that is called ligands. They are called what? Ligands. ठीक है. They are called ligand. So actually what happened, this central metal atom, as I told you, that it belongs to D block and it has D unfilled, means vacant. So space is available with the central metal atom to accept electron. ठीक है. And this, for example, in this compound cyanide, so metal is having space to accept electron and the cyanide is ready to donate electron. So coordinate bond is formed between ligands and the central metal atom. So this is how actually coordinate bond is formed in this compound, and that is why this compound is called coordinate compound. So we will see in the next video that how they are attached and what are the types of these ligands and all that. So this much in this video. Thank you so much.